Hey guys. Hey y'all. It is Easter morning, and we got from the Easter Bunny a Dubai chocolate.
Next word is B.
I'm here with Jaden,
U.
Jenna, and Aiden. What's happening to us?
I think I lost a piece.
There's been so much rave about this damn chocolate bar.
Yeah.
I got it.
Why is it so thick? You guys are the iconic, like.
Willy Wonka. No, that's a big hat. It kind of did the crack part for me.
Wait, what?
It cracked inside.
No!
Get scissors. Get scissors. Get scissors. Get scissors.
Scissors. Oh.
Damn it.
No!
The one that everyone knows about. Ew! Yeah, they're just wet.
No, there's food on them.
Oh.
I thought I broke the Legos.
Okay, take it. Take it.
No!
We can just do it like that. Just half of it. No way.
Oh my gosh, that looks kind of low-key buzz.
Oh.
Hey, that's not the bright green that I see in the video.
This is so unsatisfying.
Let me see that. Let's crack it in half and half.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, look at those layers. Oh my gosh.
Damn.
It just smells like a raisin. Oh, there's one.
Oh.
It smells like that one stringy substance. Mixed with pistachio. Did you enjoy it?
It just tastes like an Easter egg.
It tastes like a pistachio nutting in my mouth.
Whoa.
It's like grass. I want to try that. Let's do it right now.
Ooh, I can bring my plantain chips too. No. No one wants to try that.
Do you like it? You can have the rest. It just tastes like pistachio.
I like pistachios.
Cajun spice, kettle cooked, avocado clip. Smell? Smell. Those taste like the wrapper chips. Ooh, this smells familiar. Like the wrapper chips.
Wrapper chips.
Like the one like Lil Nas X.
Chip because you just licked all over your fingers.
It's a big one.
Jenna, I definitely lost a piece by accident.
Oh, can I try that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Dubai chocolate.
Everything up there.
She didn't like it.
No?
No.
Oh goodness, I think it has eyes.
Good, but I
Those
wouldn't.
Emiratis will get you with their scheming.
The breaking pieces.
Daddy,
The eyes.
we need some breakfast.
Daddy, I need help.
Oh, I'm almost staring. Okay, guys. This is our mukbang. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.